Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So in the previous video I told you that here the 61.8% FIB level at 49.1 is one possible stop here for ADA, which for now it was. There are various ways of how we can do this, but it has adhered better here if I lay the FIBs at this peak, so the 61.8% FIB level. However, yeah, be careful. Yes, we are starting to move up, and yes, we can count 5 waves down as complete, but we have not yet broken out of the channel. So for me, it remains just important that we're moving out of the channel here to be more confident that indeed we continue to go up and that we are reversing here. Yeah, other important levels in this green reversal area that we reached are the 48.6 cent level and the 47.9 cent level. These will also provide support. And then just to give you the bigger picture, because we didn't do that earlier today. So again, just to refresh it, and also for everybody who's new on the channel, we can currently assume that the low for ADA is in. Yeah, that is just an assumption we can make based on the Elliott wave count here. Again, I don't really have a bias. It is just purely following what the waves suggest to me. I'm open to changing that again to the bearish scenario. Should we go below 45 cents, then we have to put a greater emphasis again on the bearish scenario. We are still not out of the woods, but I would give it a 60% probability that the low for ADA has been in here at 40.3 cents on the 13th of July. That was sort of the completion of this bear market as it currently stands. That can change. Should we go below 45 cents, then I think we have lost a key support level. Now we then moved up here, and until here I was still sort of critical and said, right, we might come down once more. But when we crossed above this wave 1 low, that invalidated an entire series of bearish wave patterns, and I said from here it is more likely that we now will go up. We then made a nice 20%, I believe it was. Then came down here. I gave you this area as a reversal area, which triggered nicely. Yeah, we then moved up here. I had here another reversal area for you, which triggered nicely. We then moved all the way up. I told you a correction to the downside is coming, which happened, and we are now in that reversal area again. Let's see if we can hit another area, because we triggered so far this area, this area, this area, this area, and we haven't missed one. I think there was one where we just went through here. Yeah, so we missed actually one, which means, well, we didn't miss it. We did come into it, but we rushed through, so we were a bit more bearish. And then I adjusted the wave count here, and we're now in this one. So let's see if we reverse from this one. So, however, I don't think we're going to do that until we break out of this channel to the upside. As long as we are in the channel, we have to focus on lower, but we have now to be on high alert that this downtrend could be over, because Ethereum has already broken out, as you can see here, of this reversal area. Bitcoin hasn't. Therefore, I'm still a bit critical and skeptical if this downtrend is over. Now, a few things to mention here. This was from an Elliott wave count point of view, a wave 1 to the upside. We came down in an A, B, C corrective wave in a wave 2. We then moved up, or we are now basically in this wave 3, which would follow after the wave 2. The wave 3 target is much higher. Therefore, we are now in the subwaves. Every wave 3 consists of 5 waves as well. So logically, we have to assume that this here was a wave 1. We are now coming down in a wave 2 of that wave 3. And as soon as we exit this green area, we should enter the wave 3 of the wave 3 with a target around 66 cents. But to do that, we need to break out with volume and a successful retest, ideally, out of this channel to the upside. And then the next targets for the bulls are, or is the main target is here the 54.9 cent level, the wave 1 high. So yeah, just quickly really wanted to update you. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.